Just like a perplexing protagonist at the core of a suspenseful mystery novel, the identity of Satoshi Nakamoto, the creator of Bitcoin, remains an enigma. This digital phantom conceived Bitcoin, a revolutionary concept that sparked a global frenzy, setting the stage for a new era of digital currency. Yet, the originator of this game-changing innovation remains shrouded in mystery, much like the infamous Jack the Ripper, a globally recognized name yet a face unseen. The Satoshi Nakamoto puzzle persists, capturing worldwide attention. The story began in 2008 with a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, on a cryptographic mailing list. The author? Possibly an individual or a group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, leaving no clues behind. The world inherited an invention destined to alter financial history, and a riddle that would mines for decades. As the identity of Jack the Ripper has fascinated historians and criminologists for over a century, the mystery of Satoshi Nakamoto has emerged as a captivating conundrum in technology and finance. A name without a face, a revolution without a recognized leader. Like the notorious Whitechapel murderer whose true identity remains unsolved, Satoshi Nakamoto has left a lasting impact on the world, with his real identity still unknown. Over the years, many have claimed to be Satoshi, and countless others have been suspected. Yet, every claim and suspicion deepens the mystery without revealing the truth. The world continues to conjecture and debate, but the mystery persists. A riddle as intriguing as it is elusive, a puzzle that's as mesmerizing as it is perplexing. Now, another name has entered the fray of possibilities: David Schwartz. With a profile that aligns and a trail of clues leading back to Bitcoin's inception, could this be the revelation we've been seeking? Or is it just another detour in the ongoing saga of Satoshi Nakamoto? Remain with us as we further explore this intriguing possibility. David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, has recently been linked to the mystery of Satoshi Nakamoto. In the dynamic landscape of digital currency, David Schwartz stands as a prominent figure. As Ripple's CTO, his advocacy for digital currencies and blockchain technology is undeniable. A significant participant in the crypto revolution, Schwartz's recent spotlight seems to originate from a different cause. He's been associated with the enigma of Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous mind behind Bitcoin. This connection stems from Schwartz himself. He hinted that he might have been part of the group that initiated Bitcoin. The CTO of it suggesting that he could have contributed to the creation of the first digital currency, Bitcoin. This unexpected turn has left many surprised. However, let's not rush to conclusions. We must examine his statement closely. Schwartz hasn't directly claimed to be Satoshi Nakamoto. He only insinuated that he could have been part of Bitcoin's development team, a subtle yet significant distinction. He also stated that he didn't know about Bitcoin until 2011, a statement that raises questions. If he was part of Bitcoin's creation, wouldn't he have known about it before its launch in 2009? Could this be a strategy to deflect suspicion? Schwartz's words, when taken at face value, seem to dismiss any claim of being Satoshi Nakamoto, while still leaving room for ambiguity. It's an intriguing hint that suggests more than what is immediately apparent. But is this credible? Is it possible that David Schwartz, Ripple's CTO, had a hand in Bitcoin's creation? Or is it merely a crafty diversion, designed to ignite curiosity and speculation? As we investigate this mystery further, we aim to uncover the truth behind these claims. In a world where many assert their identity as Satoshi Nakamoto, the distinct stance of David Schwartz is his denial. Across time, numerous individuals have emerged, each claiming to be Bitcoin's creator. They range from tech tycoons to anonymous developers, each with a convincing narrative. Yet, among these proclamations, Schwartz's position is distinctive. He doesn't accept the Satoshi Nakamoto identity. Instead, he denies it. Not everyone is buying into Schwartz's assertions. The cryptocurrency community, renowned for their questioning nature, isn't embracing these revelations without reservations. The emerging narrative around Schwartz's potential identity as Satoshi Nakamoto has been met with intrigue, disbelief, and outright denial. Schwartz's statement that he only discovered Bitcoin in 2011 has raised eyebrows. If he was part of the group that created Bitcoin, how could he have remained unaware of it until 2 years after its launch? This inconsistency has fueled doubts, with some community members suggesting that Schwartz might be misremembering or misrepresenting the timeline. Furthermore, Schwartz's claim that he might have been among the Bitcoin's founding coders has amplified the skepticism. How could he only be a potential participant in such a transformative project? Wouldn't he surely know if he was involved or not? The ambiguity surrounding his assertions has led some to question his. To add to the complexity, Schwartz's involvement in creating XRP in 2011 has added another layer to the story. If he was refining Bitcoin's code while also launching a brand new cryptocurrency in the same year, it would be a remarkable feat. However, it also raises questions about his ability to manage such significant projects concurrently. Could he truly have achieved so much in such a tight timeline? Moreover, while Schwartz's deep knowledge of Bitcoin and his active community participation are undeniable, some argue that this does not necessarily confirm him as Satoshi Nakamoto. Many experts have dedicated their careers to understanding and improving Bitcoin without being its creators. Is Schwartz being truthful, or is this another twist in the Bitcoin mystery? The cryptocurrency community continues to grapple with this question, carefully examining every aspect of Schwartz's claims. Whether they will ever acknowledge him as Satoshi Nakamoto remains to be seen. Let's take a closer look at Schwartz's background. A key piece of evidence to note is his 1989 patent. There's an intriguing link to David Schwartz's patent from 1989, long before Bitcoin was even known. Registered under the U.S. patent number 5,025,369, this patent provides an architectural plan for a distributed computer network. Remarkably, it mirrors the fundamental principles of blockchain technology. The patent delineates a method for multiple computers to synchronize their processing power for complicated tasks. It accomplishes this by dividing the tasks into smaller sections, distributing them across the network, and reassembling the results. This is strikingly similar to how Bitcoin's blockchain works, with nodes authenticating transactions and compiling them onto the blockchain. The resemblance between Schwartz's patent and Bitcoin's blockchain has sparked interest. Could this early work have been a foundation for Bitcoin? Could Schwartz have utilized this patented technology for creating the world's first cryptocurrency? The patent's timing also deserves note. In 1989, a decentralized network of computers was radical. Schwartz was clearly ahead, envisioning a future where decentralization would be vital for digital innovation. Such foresight aligns with Bitcoin's creation. Yet, it's essential to recall that correlation doesn't equate to causation. Despite the similarities, they don't definitively affirm Schwartz's contribution to Bitcoin's creation. Yet they add intrigue onto the enigma of Satoshi Nakamoto. And then there's Schwartz's assertion that he's not Satoshi Nakamoto, even with the evidence suggesting otherwise. He claims he didn't know about Bitcoin until 2011, but his patent and subsequent work in cryptocurrency suggest otherwise. Could this patent be the missing piece of the puzzle? As we delve deeper into Schwartz's potential involvement in the creation of Bitcoin, this question remains pivotal. As so often happens, the truth continues to be elusive in the enigmatic world of cryptocurrency. Now it's your turn to weigh in on this enigma. We've explored the potential of David Schwartz being Satoshi Nakamoto. This seasoned player of cryptocurrency could be the enigma we're seeking. Or perhaps there's another truth beneath this web of intrigue. Could Schwartz be our man, or is your suspect different? Have you noticed a detail we've missed? Maybe you have a fresh perspective to share. Your thoughts on this enduring mystery are eagerly awaited. After all, every mystery is a solution waiting to be. So, let's continue this expedition of discovery together. Who knows, we may be closer to revealing the truth than we imagine.